Hey guys, what's going on? So we're just gonna do a quick vid on the Super Bee, talk about it a little bit, talk about the work Ron did. So we sent it to Young Automotive to get our brakes completed. He got that job done, and like I said, we have a new master cylinder we bought through Manzini Racing. I'll leave a part number. That's an exact replacement. I'll leave you the part number and the company that's out of, but you can only buy it, of course, through dealers. We ended up getting an exact replica from MBM, MC1323 part number, as you can see, 6M1121. Now this was purchased through Manzini Racing. Super Bee stripe is on and looking awesome. We're getting a stripe on. Steve's gonna prep it, and by the time you see this video again, she's gonna be done. Ron's getting the brakes going for us, so that's looking good. We got the master cylinder on. We managed to use the same brake lines. And yeah, we're getting her done. By Monday, we'll have a running car with the stripe on it like it's supposed to be.
Text me his number sometime. I want to go see him.
Stock exhaust, one original muffler. You can tell one's going out. But this is what an original 383 Magnum car sounds like. Another quick look. Peek under the hood. Next year we're considering pulling the motor, getting it all painted up. I'm going to investigate that as opposed to leaving it. I can pretty much do what I want, but there's a new master cylinder. This is from Manzini Racing. Exact reproduction. This engine. It's over 31,000 original miles. Still runs like a champ. Alright, we're going to go on a quick trip, see if we can find our paperwork. Alright, we did a house search and we can't find that absent-minded professor here, but I think I know where it's at. It just dawned on me. It's in the trunk of the car. So let's see if it's there. Story of my life. I saw it somewhere and I'm pretty sure this is where I saw it. So it's not in any of my places where I thought it might be. Ah, yes. It is here. The new plate and everything. So we'll get this popped on real quick. Yeah, this is first time driving a car with the brakes done, and probably for the last time this season. So it is November 3rd, and the weather's been fantastic. We don't have a lot of time. It's 6:08. It's at dusk, so sun is setting, and there's a lot of deer here in Southwest Michigan. So again, we'll let you guys check the car. We're gonna go for a cruise. Give that battery a chance to, we don't have a lot of fuel. I got a couple gallons in there. And that's the next thing we've got to do is get fuel in it. The way that tank is mounted, it is so low. You need a long funnel to kind of get it in an upright position to get fuel in there. And maybe I should go buy a funnel and take it to AutoZone, get a funnel, come back, and I can get a gas. But we can talk about the car during that drive. So Ron did adjust all the brakes. He took it out, drove it, and that's from Ron. That's Young Automotive. His name is Ron Young. He's a Mopar aficionado. He works for the Mopar aficionado. I mean, they've been around Mopars all their life, so they know the car. They knew my dad, and yeah. So we're gonna get moving. This car is so smooth, it's unbelievable. As you can see where the sun is right now. So these manual brakes need a little bit of leg power. Listen how this car goes down the road. It's fascinating. We might put a gallon in it, just because we have straight grass, and the ratio will still keep us above where we need to be. It's getting dark out, so it just, you know, call me Chicken Little. I get very nervous during this time of day. You do not want to hit a deer. I know it's bow season already, and they're moving deer, so it's really a risk. But yeah, here's the car, man. She's back on the road again, at least for today, and we'll have her back out next year, that's for sure. Most definitely. We're going to get some more of the bugs worked out, which this car really doesn't have bugs, the other one does. But we're going to get more of the finesse of the car. I think I'm going to reach out to some of these guys as far as, should I leave the engine the way it is, you know, with the original paint, or, you know, should I get it, have the engine pulled and have it gone through, put new gaskets, get it repainted. The engine probably is going to need new gaskets, but it's not leaking. It's not leaking. That way, you know, plus we can get a new water pump on there, and then it does have a slow beat. That will insure us, so wanted to take the car a couple hours down the road, for example, Woodward Cruise or wherever, a couple of Mopar meets, either that or a trailer, and I don't have a trailer yet. I came close to buying one last summer, but I didn't do it. So, but yeah, this is it, guys. She's a beauty. Yeah, so I've been putting straight wreck gas in it. That's 90 octane. That's what's in it right now. And of course we have to do a lead additive. And probably some octane boost. But it seems to be running fine where it's at. We just want to make sure we don't run out of gas. It's a little far to go get to wreck gas from where I live. Some borderline country. So we're gonna just play it safe and get our funnel, go back home and exhaust the rest of what's in that can. Give it a quick jab, let you guys hear what a stock 383 Magnum sounds like. A shit drop. We're going about 32 miles an hour. A shit drop to first for us. Let's see. Oh, hit second. Hear that 4-barrel kick in. Oh, I love the sound of this car. I remember that all the time. This car was like the big dog when I was 8 years old, when my dad first bought it, 9 years old, going for rides, going seeing the family in Detroit. Pretty awesome times. Alright, no such luck for a funnel, so we're gonna end up going back home and just trying to use what I got and make it another day to try and get some gas. My weekend's gonna be booked with other work. But anyways, I'm gonna give Ron Young a big shout out, man. Great job on these brakes and for helping out. And he's gonna be doing some further work in the future sometime next year, and we'll get this thing all pristine. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. We'll get some pics for you in the end, and yeah, this is really a cool car, and I wish I would have got the brakes done earlier, but yeah, that's it, man. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, and have a great day. Take care.